Where did I put that whiskey? Here we go. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Got me a homemade, some homemade whiskey. This stuff a little harsh. I still feel a little hungover. We need to help smooth this out. Let me see what I got here in my cupboard. I got this ginger. It's ginger candy, but ginger's it's a digestive. It'll help me with my digestion, some old man. And then let's see what else I got. I got I got this Jasmine. This will help me relax, while I'm drinking my moonshine. Let's see what else I got. I got some cinnamon right here. A little cinnamon spice will make everything nice. So let's get to this.
So Old Man Shake has chosen a couple of ingredients. Some of these are absolutely fantastic. They all have wonderful aroma compounds that will beautifully synthesize with each other. Here we have ginger. I know this is candied ginger. This is what we have laying around in our cupboard. But this is a great digestive. Gonna add some spice notes that will really help with the bite of that cheap whiskey. This beautiful jasmine tea will add floral notes to the whiskey. We'll just go ahead and hug all the flavors together. Jasmine. Remember, everybody, 80% of our flavors comes from our nostrils. So we have to make sure that all the stuff we are trying to infuse has these floral notes that will complement each other. Now we have cinnamon. Cinnamon spice will make everything nice. This will go ahead, just give you that warm, cozy feel. And finally, the finisher. We have the orange. Great for the skin. Orange. Oils in this bad boy will go ahead and add wonderful citrus notes to give you that silky smooth finish. All right, everybody, time for the fun part. We're gonna go ahead and add 4 or 6 pieces of this candied ginger. It just depends on how spicy you like it. I'm the mild guy, so I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at 4. A couple of sticks of cinnamon. We're gonna go ahead and add this. And then we're just gonna add 2 tea bags of some jasmine tea. Voila, voila. And now, with the little help of magic, we're gonna let this sit for 4 to 5 days and then come back at it. Magic! Now, as you can see, we have the ginger has settled on the bottom. We're just gonna go ahead and stir that up. And you can see all that beautiful ginger is now dissolved. And now a couple of orange peels. I'm gonna go ahead and add 2. And let's get ready to make some cocktails with this. Or you could just sip it straight. Like, comment, and subscribe.